Hello, good day. This video is all about using Python to write a program. This video teaches us on how to use for loop to print a box or a rectangle, just as stated below. Now, now, and the program, the Python program will allow the user to specify how wide and how high the box should be. So that is what we're going to do. So now, let's begin. Now, for us to begin, let me go to the programming environment. Let me go to but what I'm using here is Spider Python 3.11. So now let's begin. Now the program is supposed to ask the user, but before I begin, before we continue now, I want to use this medium to appreciate my subscribers, both old and new, and also want to appreciate my viewers. I thank you all, and I will also appreciate if you can subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. Thank you. Let's begin now. Now, I will just say I will create some variables, say wide, call it wide, how wide it should be. Now, the wide, okay, how wide should be. Now, just use a val. I will use a val function. Then I also use input function. Then I will now use a quote. Say enter the width of of the rectangle. Then now just write the next one I will write is the length. I will just say I will use the val function, use input function, then input a quote, single quote I'm using. Say enter the length of the rectangle. So now I will now use for loop for I in range Now it should be the width. So the width, that is the wide. Now here supposed to put a column. Then the next thing I will do now is to print. Then I will now use column quotation mark times. Now say times the length, the number of the length. So times the length we're using. So that is it. So now times the length. Then there should be comma. Okay, no. So it's okay now. Now, so with this, it will give us the length and the width. Now let's run the program. Let me just enter. What is the width of what is the width of the rectangle? The width, I say 5. What is the length of the 5? I say 10. So you see, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 10. So that is it. So now let's run another one. Let's run another one. So now you have 4. Then the next one I just say 20, the length. So you see, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 20. So that is just it. So now we have been able to do this. So now this is the end. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. So, but these mini projects will help beginner, Python beginners to be able to know what to do, how to go about it, and all that. So, these piecemeal projects, mini projects, helps people to understand some of these things, some of the features in Python language, be able to learn the Python language properly and very well. So, thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.